A company's cost can be modeled by the function c equals f of x, where f of x is the cost in hundreds of dollars and x is the number of units produced. Interpret the meaning of f prime of 616 equals negative 3.6. Graphically, a derivative function value indicates the slope of a tangent line at a given input. It also indicates an instantaneous rate of change of the function at a given input. Notice how the derivative function value is negative, and therefore we know that c or f of x is decreasing at x equals 616. If the derivative function value was positive, this would indicate that c or f of x was increasing. For the next step, let's write this derivative function value using Leibniz notation. And because f of x is equal to c, we can say that f prime of 616 equals dc dx when x equals 616 equals negative 3.6. Leibniz notation reminds us that this derivative function value represents the change in c, or the change in cost, with respect to x. For the next step, we'll write the derivative function value as a fraction with the denominator of 1, and then include units on the numerator and denominator. So f prime of 616 equals negative 3.6 over 1. The numerator of negative 3.6 indicates the change in the cost, which is measured in hundreds of dollars, and therefore the negative 3.6 would be negative $3.600. The denominator of 1 indicates the change in x, where x is the number of units produced, and therefore the 1 represents 1 unit. So now we know the rate of change is negative $3.600 per unit when x equals 616. But because the numerator is negative $3.600, let's convert this to dollars by multiplying by 100. Negative 3.6 times 100 equals negative 360. We can also write this rate of change as negative $360, and this would be per unit. And again, the negative indicates the costs are decreasing by $360 per unit when x equals 616. So as a complete sentence, we can say when 616 units are produced, costs are decreasing by $360 per unit. Notice how we did not include the negative sign in the sentence because the negative sign in the derivative function value was indicated when we stated the costs were decreasing. I hope you found this helpful.